Hi, this is Ken and Melissa with Cipriani Remodeling Solutions. If you're thinking about doing a home improvement project this year, you're not alone. Millions of homeowners are looking to do home improvement projects, and they'll be spending over $150 billion annually.
We want to celebrate National Home Remodelers Month this May by letting homeowners know the benefits of home remodeling to make sure that they get their project done right. Here are some tips for you.
Get detailed written estimates from your contractors. Have them write down the make, model, colors, and quantities.
Ask your contractor how long they've been in business. Do they have liability insurance? If they're working with subcontractors, do they have liability insurance?
When a contractor gives you references, be sure to ask them the right questions. Was that contractor on time and reliable? Did they do great work? Were their subcontractors also reliable? Were there any cost overruns? And would you use that contractor again?
Ask your contractor about his or her personal affiliations. Check the information given to you and make sure that it is correct.
Do not pay for the whole job up front. The customary process of paying for a third in the beginning, a third at some milestone, and then a third at the end is okay. But with Cipriani Remodeling Solutions, we have a safe pay system where you just put 2% down and then you make milestone payments as the work is progressing and you are satisfied.
Make sure you obtain a written quote. Any job over $500 requires by law a written contract with legal name, address, and all the business information. The contract also must include the registration number of the home improvement company that you are working with.
Make sure all the warranties and guarantees are in writing and that the contract states the make and brand of everything that's being used.
Before you sign your contract, ask for a lien waiver. A lien waiver receipt guarantees that the job is going to be paid in full by the contractor. You do not want a subcontractor showing up on your front step asking for payment for the job that you've already paid the contractor for.
Signed contracts can be canceled by the consumer by midnight of the third business day after receiving the contract. You can either do this in person or by sending the notification in certified mail.
Make sure your contractor gets all the permits from your local town. You want to make sure that the project is done right the first time.
Cipriani Remodeling Solutions has been in the South Jersey area for over 40 years, working with homeowners so they make the most informed decisions. We want you to get the best value out of your remodel, as well as have the best experience. We can be your trusted advisors, pointing out potential pitfalls that other contractors may not even notice.
We know your remodeling project is a big decision. We want you to be safe and comfortable with the decisions that you make. We will be there to hold your hand and walk you through the entire process so you can breathe a sigh of relief that your project is going to get done the way you expect it to be.